Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to make a Telegram channel, so let's jump right into it. First open the app and then tap here on the bottom. From here tap on new channel, and then here you can add a name for your channel and maybe even a little description too. You can add a photo for your channel by tapping here and choosing one of the photos from your phone, or you can use instead one of these cute icons. Just choose the icon that you want, tap on it, and then tap on the background color you want, and then tap on set channel photo. After that, tap on the tick on the top right. Now for privacy, you can choose public channel. Just know that everybody can join the channel and can find it on the search engine, and you'll have to give it a public link by tapping here and typing in an available link. Once you're done, tap on the tick on the top right. Now if you want a private channel, tap next to it, and then know that nobody can join unless they have the link or the invite link. Tap on the tick once you're done. From here, choose the people that you want in your channel. Once you're done, tap on the arrow on the bottom right corner, and here you go. You'll have created successfully a channel on Telegram. That's how you do it, guys. Like the video if it was helpful, and subscribe for more videos like this one, and thank you for watching.